Hello, this is a tutorial on how to make a snout, a cat one, yeah. First thing you gotta do, figure out how far out you want it to go. You're gonna leave at least this much for up here. I'm not gonna lie, I think this is a good amount to go. But hey, that's just me. You're gonna need, you're just gonna need a bunch of foam. You're gonna trace out a shape kind of like you need to trace out a shape like this. You gotta make sure that it bends and it goes out to there, because this part's gonna be on your face. Which now that I'm looking at it, I'm realizing I don't think I made it big enough. As he raised his fist for his spoke. Remember, you can always cut more off of it, so. And you can always glue more on too. Okay. Yeah, I think this size is good. I don't know how big it is. Like, so it's probably like 5 inches. Maybe 6. And you're just gonna cut out 2 of the exact same ones. Remember, they're gonna connect to it like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm using foam that's, I'm pretty sure, so that's 2 centimeters. I think it's like 10 or something. I don't know. It's that thick. I got it off of Amazon. But yeah, now I have 2 of the exact same piece, which again, you're gonna connect like that. And if you remember my other snout, the front, okay, you gotta make the end of it has to be the same amount, and you basically like line these up and cut out that shape in there. I'm gonna trace it out. it should be like about this shape, and then you're gonna like go up in there. Like that. And you're not gonna need this triangle down here. You're just gonna cut out this part. And that will make, like, yeah. So, that's on. And it'll line up with that and create the front of it. I'm gonna glue that down. I forgot to say that this piece, you're gonna want to like cut the top of it a little thinner, just because it looks better. You don't have to. Just do that. See? It'll also just like show how where it disconnects better. Okay, when you're gluing these together, you're gonna glue the sides together first, and then once the hot glue dries more, you'll just start gluing it around. I'll just and you just gotta make sure it stays lined up with it. The cat has joined us. As you see, that'll fold over like that and connect to the front. It really is just a lot of patience and practice. Also, it's okay if it starts coming apart, as long as it doesn't fall apart. Just add some hot glue in there to fill in the gaps. Again, just glue it on like that, and then glue it. For the canine snout, you honestly just have to do the same thing, but just a little bigger. Yep, and it just like folds like that. Oh my god. Just glue it on. Won't you be my prom queen? Okay, and as you can see, there's like this gap. Okay, I get it. If you can and you want to, just like get like a knife or something sharp and like cut a line there to help it fold better. I can't really do this with my scissors. But yeah, just like cut a line where you want it to fold. It'll just help a lot better. I cut the spots. I'm not going to show the footage because I know some people don't really want to see knives. But yeah. I know the front seems a little small, but I think it's mostly just because you can see where that happens. If you want to, you can always make the front bigger. It's honestly just choice. But yeah, as you can see, it does fold a lot better to the face. And these parts, you're going to measure them out onto any scrap or anything and just cut the triangles out, glue them in there. Don't ask how I do it because I don't know how I do it. I just push it out how it's gonna fit my face. Keep it like that. And then measure this stuff onto it. You can put the triangles that you measured out, you just set them in there, see if they work. You can always trim them down, but once you got them to the size you want, just glue them in there, and boom. I'm gonna glue them in now. Make sure that you put the right triangle in the right spot. If you need to, mark it just to make sure. it wouldn't be the end of the world if you put the wrong one, but sometimes it messes up the shape of it. And boom. Now, to hold on to my face, I just took the elastic from the paper masks that I have, from these. I just took this and I glued it onto the top of it right there, and it works. It fits well. It holds on to your face. If you don't have any of this, just any elastic. I'm sure you could use the string for that some people use for candy to do it. I feel like that would work too. And now for the hardest part, furring it. You don't have to fur it. It does make it look better. And if you're gonna fur it, make sure you have, I don't know what they're called. It's this stuff you shave it down with. Because that will just make it look a lot better. But it's wearable as it is now. You could always just color it in like this. Paint it. Or you can just felt it. I'm gonna make a different video for furring it. Just because it takes so much time. Well, I guess that's the end of this video. Hope y'all have a good day. And I don't know. Stay weird.